Fun stuff. So you should have practice mid-chapter test from last week, right? And this one is the actual test, practice test for this week. Okay? And then you'll also have another practice test for this week. All right, let's do it. All right, convert. Convert this to radians. Now, to convert to radians, we have to remember, all right, that 180 degrees is pi. They're the same.
Yeah.
360 degrees is the same as 2 pi. Okay? So, if I want to convert this to radians, I need to convert it by pi over 180. I'm multiplying it by a factor of 1, but that 1 is going to make it look different. It's going to put a pi into it. Okay? And then I'm going to use that upside down division. What goes into 60 and 180?
I know.
What?
I don't know. 10?
60. But 10, okay, 10.
No,
So that would be
60. No,
6
60.
pi over 18. And then what goes into 6 and 8?
Yeah.
How many times?
1,000,000.
Pi over
1,000,000.
3, right? There it is. So that's done. Pi over 3 is your answer. Now what if I asked you to draw that? How could you draw pi over 3? It's crazy talk, right? Now the thing that they're having you do is they're breaking pi up into 3 pieces. So think about this. That means that this is going to be 3 pieces. This is 1 piece, this is 2 pieces, and this is 3 pieces, right? Just like a pizza pie, right? And so 1 piece would be right there. That would be 1 pi over 3. Does that make sense? Now, if we thought about it, if I broke this up into 3 pieces, that means that if I broke 180 up into 3 pieces, it would be 60, 60, and 60, right? So that means this is equivalent to 60 degrees. Oh yeah, 60. There it is. Does that make sense?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so with 75 degrees, it's a little bit different. 75 degrees, we're going to multiply by pi over 180, right? And then we're going to do that upside down division. What goes into 75 and 180? How about 5? 5 goes in both of those, right?
I hate 5.
Okay, so 5 goes into 75, what? Not 25 times, no? How many times? 1, with 2 left over, 5, 15.
15.
Okay, and 5 goes into 18 3 times, with 3 left over, and 36 times, so 36. So it goes into 15 and 36.
3.
Yeah.
3, okay? Negative 5 pi over 1 and 2, so 12.
Yeah.
So what they're doing there is they're saying, hey, we're going to break this up into 12 pieces. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Looks like a pain,
It is. And then we're going to go down 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would be your negative 5 pi over 12. Does that make sense, kind of? I know those don't look perfect because I'm not a great drawer, but, you know, we got the idea. Does that make sense? Okay? And that is negative 5 pi over 12. Which is the same as negative 75 degrees. Questions?
No.
Wow, I must be a really good teacher if you have no questions.
Yep, you are.
See, I am a good teacher.
Yeah, you are accepting.
They don't have any questions.
See, I'm not watching it.
You know?
I would be freaked out.